The Xiao Liu humanoid massage robot is developed by the Robotics X laboratory, part of the Tencent ecosystem. Its official premiere took place in July 2026 at the World Conference on Artificial Intelligence, WAIC, where the device attracted attention as a technological solution at the intersection of medicine, robotics, and AI. The model is based on the wheeled walking anthropomorphic robot Xiao Liu and is focused not just on performing mechanical movements, but on providing high-quality, safe, and personalized human assistance. Xiao Liu's work is based on multimodal training. Specialists recorded the real actions of professional massage therapists, including the trajectory of hand movements, the area of contact with the body, and the exact amount of pressure applied. Based on these data, the artificial intelligence was trained with reinforcement, which allowed it to master complex techniques and take into account the nuances that are crucial for a high-quality massage. A comprehensive sensor system combines technical vision, tactile skin, and force sensors. This set allows the robot to accurately assess interaction with the patient and quickly respond to the slightest changes. One of the key features of the device is dynamic adaptation. During the session, Xiao Liu continuously analyzes a person's breathing, micro-movements, and body weight redistribution, instantly correcting the force of pressing. This approach minimizes the risk of injury and makes the procedure as safe as possible, bringing the experience closer to the work of a live specialist. Smoothness and naturalness of movements are achieved due to tendon drive. The robot's manipulators use rope actuators that simulate the work of human tendons, making the movements soft, flexible, and anatomically correct. The robot's design combines an anthropomorphic form with thoughtful mobility. A hybrid wheeled walking chassis allows it to confidently move around rooms, avoiding obstacles and adapting to the features of the space. An interactive screen is placed on the chest of the device, which serves for control, feedback, and simple communication with the user. This makes interaction more understandable and comfortable for both the patient and the staff. The scope of Xiao Li's application goes far beyond the usual massage. Unlike stationary massage chairs, the robot is positioned as a universal assistant for medical and social tasks. It is planned to be used in nursing homes and rehabilitation centers, where not only physical therapy is important, but also regular care. Spas and physiotherapy clinics where clients work are also considered promising sites. Additionally, the robot is able to perform auxiliary functions, such as carrying small objects, which allows it to be used as an autonomous assistant or nurse. At the moment, the exact commercial cost of Xiao Liu has not been announced. The device remains at the advanced prototyping stage and undergoes a series of laboratory tests. However, if we focus on the market realities of Chinese robotics in 2026, we can form an approximate price guide. The competitors' basic anthropomorphic models are priced at about 180,000 yuan, about $26,600, while stationary massage robots from other manufacturers cost between $25,000 and $30,000. Taking into account the expanded functionality and mobility, the final price of Xiao Liu for medical institutions is likely to correspond to this segment. What do you think about this?